This is, we're calling this the Blizzard Speed Race Challenge. It's minus 15 and almost minus 25 with the wind chill right now, so we wimped out and just got larges. But essentially the idea here is just a eating contest, speed eating contest.
Speed challenge.
You want to get my spoon figured out here?
Well, now you're cheating. Okay, what do we do? Do we 3, 2, 1, go? Deal?
There we go. Yep, that sounds good. Your count.
3, 2, 1, eat.
Oh.
That is going to be so bad for me.
We should use metal spoons.
It hurts.
That sounds like a you. That sounds like a you kind of problem.
I've already figured out a strategy. Don't eat the cookie dough. Oh yeah, we got cookie dough, by the way.
Yeah, you would just open the throat. Swallow it whole.
You know,
I regret this already.
it hurts.
Not even halfway.
Oh, why didn't we get minis?
Because you're a pussy.
Shut up, Kaylee. What do you mean? How did you get...
Cory!
I don't know how you're eating that so fast.
I'm at the first line.
There's no way you're eating it that fast.
Ugh.
Like,
Oh,
I haven't
the
even,
second line.
I haven't even touched it. That's not fair.
I have a bigger spoon.
We have the same spoon.
Longer spoon. Oh, God, my chest.
I can't do it. I can't do this.
Oh, screw you, cookie dough.
Ow, it hurts the throat.
I bet you say that often.
Are you done?
Oh,
There is no way you ate that. Like,
Jesus.
if I squish it down, I'm halfway.
That's
Not even half.
You're only about, like, that far down. And yours was the smaller of the two anyways. Oh, man. How did you manage that?
How did you manage that? Well,
Were you even trying? So, there's a blizzard challenge. My chest hurts. I can't feel my face.
my throat is numb.